Hi guys, we're Courts and Meeks and we're at Camp Creator 2021.
And we are here with Dave from BouyDog's Bus, and he's going to give us a little intro about them and their lifestyle and then give us a tour in 3 minutes. Let's go.
Right, I'm Dave and my wife Debbie, who's sitting outside in the shade, and we are BouyDog's Bus, brand new YouTubers even. And this is our self-built library conversion.
Here we go.
3 minutes. Give us the grand tour and I'll just follow you around.
The grand tour, if we start at the back, into our bedroom.
Into the boudoir.
Into the boudoir. And here we have a normal size double bed. Normal size double bed mattress on it. Storage round the top. Skylight. Window either side.
Yeah.
We have our garage area underneath there where we
Loads
keep
of room in there.
all of our bits and pieces that we don't want people looking at.
Not in this video, we show
Not
everything.
in this video. And here we have our shower room.
Full size bathroom pretty much, bigger than a studio apartment. Hanging clothes. Everything going on. Very nice.
And our kitchen area with sink and hob. Full size domestic oven.
Massive beast that is.
Our other kitchen area.
The second kitchen.
With our full size domestic AC fridge.
Yeah, so you said everything runs on 24 volts.
Yeah, everything's powered by 24 volts. We have a 1800 watt pure sine wave inverter that we run it 24/7. We don't turn it off.
Amazing.
And that obviously powers the fridge, TV, soundbar, Wi-Fi hub.
Fantastic.
And we just leave it on. We've got a kilowatt of solar on the roof, and we don't have any power problems. It all just keeps on going, and we're happy with that.
Yeah, fantastic.
And then into our conservatory.
Yeah, now that is a conservatory, isn't it?
It's crazy.
Yeah, so you can see Deb sitting out there, I think. She's down
Yeah,
there.
Deb's out there, yeah.
She was sunning herself, but swivel seats in the front. Lighting's a little bit, there we are. And then you've got huge seating on this side. And an even bigger sofa on that side.
And this is an old library bus, is it?
Yeah. Old library bus.
Wow.
Beautiful.
What's the dimensions of it?
It's now with the bike rack on the back.
Yeah.
It's about 8.4 metres long, 2.3 metres wide, and strangely enough, 10'6" high. I don't know what the metres in that.
Yeah. Absolutely fantastic.
And yeah, for the inside, that's it.
Wow.
All built on my drive by myself. First one I've done. Probably the last one.
Yeah, I think everyone says that.
I mean, that's 2 minutes 30. I think that's a very efficient van tour.
You have done
Yeah,
fantastic.
we're good with that, yeah.
Maybe we need to start reducing the time people get. People are getting really quick.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you, Dave, for showing us around your beautiful home.
Absolute pleasure.
Yeah. Yeah. Well,
It is proper homely in here.
Yeah.